Hello everyone! The pulse flow portable oxygen concentrator also can be used with the humidifier bottle. In this video, I will show you how to use the bottle with the portable oxygen concentrator SG. As you can see on the desk that there are 3 humidifier bottles, 2 smaller one and 1 is bigger. What we can do to use the humidifier bottle with this device? We can just drill a small hole inside the tubes of the humidifier bottle. As you can see, this pipe, it is with a hole that I drilled. You can use any scissors or knives or any other tools to drill the hole. You can see a hole like this or smaller one is okay. Let's connect this with the device. Now let's turn on the device. As you can see, this is how it works. But you need to drill the hole inside the tube. Also, you can use the bigger humidifier bottle and drill a hole inside this tube. And after you drill it, you can push the water and connect with the device.